Mga kapobre, it's me, the organic piece. I come this way because it's my soki. It's he is from India, no?
Yes,
Yeah, he's India. And you can shout out to your family in your country.
Yeah.
Shout out to your family. Talking.
Yeah. What of?
You talking to your family in India because they can see the YouTube, right?
Yeah, my family, this country is very good. This
Yeah.
one sweet. Yeah,
Mga-
my friend is coming.
Look at this
Look at.
is Indian food. So he's giving to me sample to eat. It's very nice food. This one, it's a sweet India,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, sweet India.
Mm. This is sweet India. This is in Arabic bakura. Bakura,
Pakora, samosa,
sambusa.
egg bhaji,
This one,
egg fry.
egg fried.
Yes.
Oh, nice, huh? So,
He is making. Never. He is making.
what is your name?
Rajan.
Huh?
Rajan.
Namaskar.
Razi.
Rajan.
So how many years you working here?
Etra friend.
How many years you working here?
20 years.
20? You are more than me. I'm 18 years here. So talking here because you can see to your family in your India.
മലയാളത്തിൽ പറഞ്ഞ കുഴപ്പമില്ല.
Talking to your mama and your wife.
മലയാളത്തിൽ പറഞ്ഞ നിങ്ങളുടെ
ഞാൻ
നാട്ടിലെവിടെയാണ്?
നാട്ടിൽ മലപ്പുറം മലപ്പുറം ഡിസ്ട്രിക്റ്റിൽ പെരുന്നൽകുന്ന
Don't feel shy talking to India.
20 വർഷം ഇവിടെ പണിയെടുക്കുന്നു.
20 വർഷമായി.
So here is for snacks, tea, coffee. See, look, I drink coffee now, and it's 2 dirham, and he's giving me free. This food is very nice.
Yeah, this one also manufactured charcoal.
Huh?
Charcoal and deep fried chicken fry.
This one all is not expensive. It's cheap price. There is a avocado, mango, fruit cocktail, everything is here. Hamburger, what is this? Nuggets, everything. So, here in all Abu Dhabi, if they need something, you can buy and Signal cafeteria. Huh? Ay, last to Signal. Last to Signal. I will eat that one. I will show to
We will
people.
edit, huh?
Huh?
Editing?
I will not edit. Go to street and YouTube. Not edit.
Next front full view, huh?
Yeah. New York. This one?
Kabayans coming, too much kabayans coming.
Yeah, I knew
So
because
big.
I saw one time here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Your video see too much kabayan coming here. That's why.
Hmm?
Yeah.
My friends subscribe to me.
Subscribe ചെയ്യണം കേട്ടോ.
ചാനൽ
മലയാളത്തിൽ- ആ, ഏ?
ചാനൽ നെയിം
അത് ഞാൻ തരാം. ഞാൻ ഗ്രൂപ്പിൽ ഷെയർ ചെയ്താൽ.
This one is the taste is like banana. No?
Not banana, this one.
What is this?
This one is the grand flower. Grand flower.
Then you put egg.
Yeah, good.
Yes.
Yeah, very sweet. This one,
Nice.
nice.
This is my first time eating, but it's nice. My friend, how is in India now in the COVID?
Too much lockdown now. All closed.
What is close?
Yeah, COVID not outside. Lockdown.
Lockdown.
Yes.
But did you remember last year the in India
Yeah. Now
country
it's
no COVID?
Now it's coming 15 days. More than 15 days.
Hmm?
Yeah. Lockdown.
How is the example for food, for everything? How is
Delivery. Delivery, online delivery.
Mm.
Only delivery.
This whole India is closed?
Yes, Kerala. My state is...
Lockdown?
Yeah, lockdown.
Problem, no?
Hmm?
Problem if you don't have money, how?
Yeah, too much problem. No job, not working.
Yeah.
Only house.
It's not joke really.
Yeah.
Because was before in Philippines,
But
it's lockdown.
my country is politician, communist, CPA,
Huh?
communist. You will help him. Minister, Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijay.
But there is helping,
Yeah, helping.
in,
Too much helping.
in the government.
Yeah, government too much helping.
It's not
Give.
corrupt.
Yeah? Not
No
giving
corrupt.
the food. Every time food serving.
Oh, it's good.
Yeah, good.
My country, you know what?
Hmm.
They are locked down last year
Hmm.
when COVID is starting.
Hmm.
But they giving, but government give, but it's the choice who people giving, not all the, not all people giving. Mm. They are, look, some people look pity, no food, no anything. That's why I come this YouTube because of the COVID.
Yeah.
Well, I'm starting when COVID coming. Then I give
Yeah,
some.
before COVID lockdown. Yeah.
Then I give money in Philippines to the poor people. But I heard here, the if you don't have vaccine,
Yeah.
the
Yeah, now
penalty.
my two finish. Now again coming 3 more.
Hmm?
Indra.
3? They're coming 3 now.
Una.
बाकी भंडारा बोल सकते भंडारा की नहीं क्या बोल सकते
They are coming 3 now.
Hmm?
3
Yeah,
third
three.
dose.
Yeah,
Ano?
Alphasan up I check 3 dose.
Oh my gosh.
What to do now?
Yeah.
After coming 10 dose, finish.
I heard some.
Your family here?
Yeah, I have 2 daughters here too.
Doctor working?
Working, yeah.
Where?
In there, in Sadiat.
Sadiyat.
Problem is COVID when they are going.
Husband also here, huh?
My husband?
Uh-huh. No.
No husband here. Husband Philippine.
Philippine.
Not good if you get husband here. Not good. A lot of lady here, they are making husband. Your wife is here?
Yeah, wife is here working.
Your wife?
Yeah,
Where?
here working. Pharmacist, Khalifa City.
Hmm?
Harmony Medical Center.
Oh, nice. Because your wife is here. Also your daughter? Your kids? Your kids where?
Kids my country. Now me and wife and children going to vacation now. My country.
Who taking care of your kids there?
Huh?
Who?
Now vacation going. India, my country. Now not here.
Not here. Who taking care there?
Where?
In India. Who take care? Like, example, who's giving food, everything? Mother?
Yeah, mother.
You're good because your wife is here.
Yeah. His flight open, coming here.
I hear in India is too much problem because of COVID. How did you do this one? Like there is a hulmahan, there is like
Yeah, this one Indian Kerala delicious.
Yeah.
Favorite food.
but how did you do this? It's there
Yes.
is some stainless to making
Yeah.
look like this is like onion
Yeah.
style. You slice like
Yeah,
onion.
this one this style. All Kerala understand.
Nice. I eating also paratha, paratha. The egg is with tomato.
Mm.
I eat this one also. Egg.
Egg parota.
Here in India, in this country, because sometimes I like Indian food because it's spicy, you know.
Spicy, yeah, yeah.
Oh my God, it's problem, no?